Okay guys, welcome to my new video, how to get unlimited USA traffic. Like you know, USA traffic is the best traffic that you can use to promote your affiliate link. You can use it to promote your ClickBank or CPA offers or your landing page. You can promote anything. But before I will show you my Google Analytics. You can see here United States. Okay, this is a real-time traffic, and you can see I am getting traffic from different countries and locations. You can see here Miami, New York, Los Angeles, and more location. You can see this is the real-time 50 visitors in my website right now, and all this traffic is from USA. Very important to get a traffic from USA if you want a target traffic to your max bounty offers, or if you want to promote ClickBank affiliate links. This is the best traffic, I think, that you can get to your affiliate links. So I will show you how this work. Okay, so you can visit this website. This website will give you unlimited traffic. You can see here 3 packages, bronze and silver and gold. Of course, I am using this traffic. You can use if you want this package or this package, but the best traffic that you can use and get unlimited USA traffic is this package. Let's visit. You can see here you can put your affiliate link. You can and here your name, your password, and your email. This website work from, you can see the years. You can use it to promote everything, and the best is to promote your affiliate link, ClickBank or CPA. You can get unlimited leads from this traffic if you want to run and promote your landing page. You can see you can get from this package 1000 plus hits a day. This is one-time fee. Okay, and that's it. I hope you like this traffic. You can test it. You can promote your affiliate link. Let me know about your results. Please type your comment below this video, and let me know what you think. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, please share it with your friends. Thank you again, and have a good day. Thank you again.